Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the form and locking in core settings. Open Google Forms and pick blank or the quiz template. This gives you the quiz controls you need. Name the test, add a short description, and decide point values for questions so grading is automatic. Once done, go to Settings and enable quiz mode. This is essential because it lets you mark correct answers and return scores. Make sure to set respondent options like email collection and limit to one response where required. Now you build the body of your MCQ test. Add questions, choices, and the answer key for each item. For each multiple choice question, open answer key to set correct answers and points. Add feedback when helpful for learning. Use sections to split the test into parts, and use go to section based on answer to route students. For example, send incorrect answers to remedial items. Once done, review question order, shuffle options if desired, and confirm multimedia or required toggles. Finish by choosing how you release grades and distribute the test. In Settings, choose to release scores immediately or later, and decide whether respondents can see missed questions or correct answers. Share the form link, post to Classroom, or email it directly. Make sure access restrictions match your audience. Once done, always test the form using a student account to confirm flow and scoring. If something breaks, sync, permissions, or grading, double-check quiz settings, section logic, and that answer keys are saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.